Today's post is about the publish command. If you need or just want to be able to plot a group of drawings and you still work solely in model space as opposed to having predefined layout tabs, you can still use the publish command to accomplish this. To begin, we need to have a model space page setup defined in the drawing. So I'm just going to click on the big A, go down to plot, and over to page setup. Then click new. Then I'm going to name mine publish. And then set it to the desired printer, the sizing, the area to print. I'm choosing Accent so that it pertains to all of the drawings because we're going to use this to translate it to all of the drawings in our publish command. The pen style, I'll choose AutoCAD for this for full color. Then landscape for the orientation. Center in the plot. And then click OK. Now I will save the drawing to make sure that the pen style or the page style actually remains in the drawing. Now we can start the publish command. We're going to go back up to the big A and select publish. Then we're going to right click in the drawing list area and select remove all. Then click the plus sign to add our drawings. You could select drawings from many different file paths, but I'm just going to shift select a group of drawings. And then watch what happens when we bring them all in. Because right now we're combining model space and paper space, so you'll see some of the layouts that are going to be initialized, some of them aren't, some of them have errors, some of them don't. So what we're going to do is we're just going to choose model space now. So right click again and remove all. And then right click again and select down at the bottom, uncheck include layouts when adding sheets, because we just want it to be model space. So go back and actually add that same group of drawings. And this time it'll just be the model space tabs. Now you can see we still have a lot of errors in this, and we can fix this by applying one single page setup, that one that we just created, to this whole list. So I shift selected the whole list. I'm going to go back up to the top, use the pull down and say import, and then I'm going to search to or navigate to that drawing that I just saved my last page setup in. And that drawing does not have to be in your active publish list. You can import it from any drawing that you want. So I'm going to find my drawing, import. Now I can see my new publish, assign it. Notice there's no errors. So now we'd be ready to just send this off to the plotter. Now the plotter I chose was a DWF 6 ePlot, so it would actually go to a plot to file, but it could be your normal plot. If it wasn't plot to file, you could go into the publish options, make sure your location is set up how you want it, and then once everything's complete, you can just hit the publish button. It'll ask you if you want to save the sheet list. Sometimes that's a good idea. It allows you to save that imported page setup to being used for all of those. But if not, you're fine to not use that. It just creates a very small DSD file. Good luck with publish. Hopefully this helps those of you out there who have been wanting to be able to publish all of your drawings in one set but still use model space only and not paper space, to see how you can still use the benefits of the publish command without having to go into every single one of them and add page setups. All right, have fun.